Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a super cool neon rainbow drip look based off of this picture I saw on Pinterest. So I'm super excited. Let's just get started. Alright, so first I'm going to prime my whole face with my Benefit Professional Primer. Okay, now that we're all primed, I'm actually going to cover my face with a mixture of my No Filter foundation by ColourPop and some of their concealer as well, which is lighter so I can have a nice light base for the colors to go on. So funny story, I'm almost out of foundation because ColourPop have a few choice words for you. I've been out of their foundation and their eyeliner. I love their BFF felt tip liquid liners. So I'm out of their black liner and I'm out of their foundation. And I noticed that foundation was in stock, but the eyeliner wasn't. So I was just gonna wait patiently. Checked the website yesterday. Guess who's here? The eyeliner, amazing, right? But guess who's not here? My foundation. So I really wanted to buy them together, but since the eyeliner has been out of stock for so long, I feel like it's gonna sell really quickly. So I think I might as well just buy them separately to save me any extra stress and extra waiting. The concealer though, I have a lot of this because I don't wear concealer. I used to a lot. I would just wear it underneath my eyes, but I did that when I was on vacation once, and every picture, bright white. So I'm just sticking with the foundation because I don't need brightening. I just need my skin to all be the same color because my eyes are kind of dark and purpley. And I am going to be blending this over my eyebrows as well. I'm not blocking them off with glue and the whole 9 yards. I'm not good at that. I think it might just be the glue, but I didn't buy a new glue stick, so I'm not gonna try. Now that I look like a ghost, I'm going to prime my eyelids with my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot and my M173 brush from Morphe. I don't think I'm going to do anything on the eyes. I honestly think I'm just going to do the whole thing like that painting and have like no human characteristics because that's just how I'm feeling lately, you know? We're all energy anyway, we're not really human. So I'm going to put a little bit of this over my eyebrows again to really like work it in there. Oh, we love this. I think I'm just gonna tap it out. This didn't do too much, but I feel like it'll probably help with the color later. I don't know. I'm gonna outline all the drips in black, just like how the painting looks. Okay, now it's time for the colors. So I'm going to be using the Neon Poison pigments from Makeup a Murder. They are UV reactive and are super pretty. All of their makeup is like crime scene based, and I think that's really fun. I'm actually giving away this set over on TikTok when I hit 100,000 followers. Big number, I know, it's crazy. I can't believe I'm already at 86,000. I'm so grateful for all of you who have supported me over on TikTok, and if you are from TikTok watching my videos here, thank you for supporting me here. I appreciate it so much, very grateful for you. So I'm going to be using a bunch of little brushes for this today. And I like to put my pigment inside these little ceramic dip containers just because like when they dry up you can just re-wet them and reuse them again. So these are water activated. You can apply them as powder just for like an eyeshadow moment, or if you want them to be like an eyeliner or a paint, which is what I'm doing today, you can mix them with a little bit of water, just like a drop. You can always add more pigment if necessary and get a nice eyeliner out of them. Super pigmented. It's super easy to work with, I love it. You can also use another mixing liquid if you don't prefer water, but that's just all I have right now, and it works, so yeah. But I'm going to begin by outlining where I want the drips to go, and then after I have all the outlines in, I'm going to fill it in like a coloring book. Next I'm going to do orange, so I will be keeping them in rainbow order. I love the orange, it looks just like Cheetos. now for the purple drips. I'm gonna try to make them look like they're overlapping. Like right here, I'm not gonna drag the purple way down. I'm actually just going to keep it like up here so that drip can have its moment. And then that will layer on top over the blue and all the other rainbow colors. I love that they come in these cute little vials. They actually changed their packaging. I'm not sure what it looks like now, but if you win the giveaway, you'll get the, the old packaging, so that's fun. Okay, purple's done. Now for some blue. Now for some green. So there is a little bit of fallout with these pigments. If you add like too much pigment, not enough water to where it's really like thick, it will just kind of like dry up and stay like on top of it, the excess pigment. So you have to just wipe that away with a light like fan brush type, super just light brush. And I will be going over the whole thing afterwards when I'm done too. It like cracks a little bit, you see that? It's not gonna mess with like the overall look, it's still gonna look great. I'm just going to dust that off later and to make it look even better. Okay, I'm going to finish the colors over on TikTok Live, and as well as the rest of the look. Honestly, I'm going to do the whole rainbow face. I might drag it down onto my neck, I'm not really sure. I might do like black and white on my neck. I think that would be really fun. If I do that, I'm going to be using my Mayron water activated paints for those. And yep, I'm also going to outline all the colors with that Mayron black face paint and do some white highlights as well. So I hope you guys got the concept and enjoy this video. I will be back with the finished look. Here is the finished look, guys. I love how it came out so much. If you were on TikTok Live with me, watching me create this, and thank you so much for watching and spending your time with me. I decided to do the black and white drips on the neck. I feel like I should have done them a little bit like smaller, like how I did the face, so it was a little bit more cohesive. But I still think it looks cool, so I really hope you like it as well. And feel free to like this video and subscribe if you want to see more content from me. And without further ado, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Keep safe, keep wearing your mask, love everybody, respect yourself, love yourself, you know what I mean? Practice mindfulness, be self-aware always. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Goodbye, guys.